So, let's get these two characters out of the way so you can see here. But what you're going to want to do, make sure VSync is on, motion blur is on if you have that option. It doesn't really matter. But you don't even need motion blur on. But what you want to do is, for my setup, I'm parallel with this. I use joystick because it's not really that bad, but you could use D-pad. And that, once you line it up, it'll get over an event perfectly every time. And then, wait, Indy, get out of the way. And so then you would just jump at the peak. Because you'll see she's going to go, when she walks up the rock, look at that. She's going to go way above the rock. See, like that? She's going to go way above where the rock actually is. And that's the point when you want to jump. When you jump there, that's how you're going to get up to the top. Like that. So, that's when you want to jump. Now, that's why I like the sideways setup. Because, for one, it's just like much more visual to me. But there's also this setup. You can do it this way. And when you do it this way, you'll want to spin around like that at the peak. And because you're going to be right under this arm and you're going to try and just like spin around onto it. That's the setup that Wolverine does in his runs. I guess you could also technically do it this way. And then just go backwards like that. And that's pretty visual as well, like the side one. I'm not sure how easy that is with the little run-up, though. It doesn't give you much of a breather or anything doing it that way. So I wouldn't recommend it. I think the best way is to just go with the side one and use the D-pad. So like when you're starting out, just use the D-pad, get aligned with the rock, and you'll see. So you to wrap things up, you're gonna want to align with the D-pad, and you could just go over and jump when it peaks like that. Okay, I'm gonna switch to joystick because it's easier for me, but you get the gist. There you go. Joystick, that's what I'm used to. But right now, I'll show a clip of AI manip. And so what's happening there is that's what Wii U does. As a replacement for both, it's more consistent than the rock jump might be. Like, in terms of difficulty, it's easier. It's not as fast. But what you do is you set Indy right here. Like right in front of the rock. And then you take Marion or whatever, and you jump over them like that. And so I'll show a clip of that here, and you'll see. Indy will automatically just jump up over. It's in my Wii U PV, so I'll link that there. And that's the end of the video.